This tool is basically for researchers who are tired of spending hours jumping between random papers, browser tabs, scattered notes, and half-written ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CitedEvidence from the home dashboard, especially the summary research mode, so you can start a literature search from just one topic. Before we begin, subscribe for more research tutorials, academic writing workflows, and tools that help students, researchers, and thesis writers work faster. I'll also put the link in the description so you can open CitedEvidence and follow the same steps with me. Now let's start. First, I'm going to open Google. In the search bar, I'll type CitedEvidence. Now I'll click on the official CitedEvidence website. Once the website opens, I'll either create a new account or log in if I already have one. This is the first screen you see after logging in. On the left side, you can see the main navigation menu. Here, there are different sections like Home, My Library, AI Everything Writer, Proposal and Literature, Systematic Review, Manuscript Reviewer, Thesis to Manuscript, PhD Corner, Articles and Journal Search, Data Collection Tools, Research Notes, and more. Each section is for a different research task, but for this video, we are staying on the home page. Now look at the center of the dashboard. You can see a large search box that says, "Enter your topic, question, or area of interest." This is where we begin the research. So instead of opening a blank document and staring at it like it personally betrayed us, we can simply start by entering a research topic here. For this example, I'm going to type "Relationship between stress and sleep quality among university students." Now, before I click the arrow button, let's look under the search box. You can see different research modes: summary, deep, detailed, and agents. I'll quickly explain what each one is for. Summary is for a quick literature overview. Deep is for more in-depth research when you want a stronger explanation and more detailed academic direction. Detailed gives a fuller report-style response, which is helpful when you want a more developed research output. Agents allows you to use specialized research assistants for specific academic tasks. For this video, I'm selecting Summary because I want a quick starting point for my topic. Now, I'll make sure Summary is selected, then I'll click the arrow button. Now, CitedEvidence starts working on the topic. At this point, the tool is analyzing the topic and preparing a research-style summary. The goal here is not just to give random text. It helps organize the topic in a more academic way. So instead of getting scattered information from different tabs, I can now see a structured overview in one place. This is useful when I'm starting a proposal, thesis, literature review, research assignment, or even just trying to understand what my topic is really about. Now let's look at the kind of output I get. Here, I can read the summary and understand the main idea of the topic. For example, in this topic, the tool may explain how stress can affect sleep quality among university students, why this issue matters, and what kind of academic angle I can use for research. This helps me understand the topic before I start writing. So if I was planning to write a proposal, I could use this summary to understand the background. If I was writing a literature review, I could use it to identify the key direction. And if I was still confused about the topic, this summary would help me see whether the topic is researchable or not. Now I'll scroll down a little. Below the main search area, you can see the Research Agent section. These are specialized agents designed for different academic tasks. For example, you may see agents related to literature review, methodology, fact-checking, research timelines, defense preparation, academic writing, and more. This is useful because sometimes you do not just need a general answer. You need help with a specific part of the research process. Now look at the categories here. You can see categories like literature, bioinformatics, chemistry, healthcare, finance, and writing. These categories help you filter the agents based on your research field. For example, if I click literature, the dashboard shows agents related to literature search, academic sources, and review writing. Now if I click healthcare, I can see agents that are more useful for medical, clinical, or health-related research topics. Since my example topic is about stress and sleep quality among university students, the healthcare category can be useful because the topic is related to health and well-being. Now let's try our topic again with specialized agents. See? That's a complete game changer. Instead of opening 10 tabs, 3 PDFs, 2 Word documents, and 1 emotional support coffee, you can start with 1 structured research summary and build from there. That's how you use the CitedEvidence home dashboard and summary mode to begin academic research quickly.